Hello investors, welcome to the third video of how to use stock screener on Sharply. And in this video, we will focus on the backtesting part. Now, backtest is one of the most unique and useful feature of Sharply stock screener. But before jumping onto backtest, let's look at one another unique feature, that is replay. Now, as of now, as we can see, 39 stocks are there that fulfill all the criteria of this stock screen, right? But let's say I want to check if I use the same screening rules 100 days ago, which stocks will get filtered. Now, as you can see here, right now stocks like Jindal Stainless, Motilal Oswal, Angel One, Anla, then one infra construction, share India, etc. are there. Now, if I want to check the output of the same screener 100 days ago, I just need to click on this replay button and put 100 here. So, yeah, and then I just need to click on done. Now, as you can see, 49 stocks are there. And now, as you can see, the names are also different. Some of the names are same, but like Aditya Birla and Lloyd's Metro were getting filtered 100 days ago. Now, if I want to check, let's say for 200 days ago. So what I'll do is write 200 here and click on done. Now, as you can see, there are 63 stocks now. And this is the list of their stocks. Now, stocks like Loris Labs were getting qualified 200 days ago. So that's it about the replay functionality of stock screen. So you can put any number and based on that input, the same screen will run on that much days ago. Okay, so now let's focus on the backtesting. Now, in the first video where we saw how we can use this basic builder, I created this screen where we identified stocks that are showing non-linear PAT growth. We compared the sales CAGR with EPS CAGR, and then we generated this list of 39 stocks, right? Now, as an investor, you won't have unlimited funds, so you won't be investing in all 39 stocks. So what you can simply do is limit number of stocks. So for that, as I explained, you need to enable this. Let's say I only want 15 stocks, and I want them based on 6-month real return. So I write 6-month relative return and I want them in the descending order. That simply means that filter 15 stocks out of this list, which has highest 6-month relative return, right? And then I click on the run again, and I have now the list of 15 stocks, right? Now, in that video, I told that this is a good list of 15 stocks, and I'll prove that using backtesting. Now, we have written about backtesting in detail on our knowledge base, how we perform them, how we cover the behavioral biases. So, our backtesting results do not have look ahead bias as well as survivorship bias. We have written in detail in the knowledge base, so you can simply click here and explore that. But let's generate the backtest result. So for that, I just need to click on this backtest button. Once I click on it, as you can see, it is showing me the backtesting results. Now, these results are based on a preset parameters. Now, to see that, you can simply click on this backtest parameter row. And once I click on that, as you can see, the backtesting result is based on 4-year data, that is from 1st April to 2022, 15th of April of 2024. The rebalancing frequency is 3 months. We are rebalancing on 1st of every month. Position sizing is we are selecting 10 stocks out of the list of 15, and then we those 10 are selected by the market cap, and we are allocating equal weight. Right, and then there are other backtest parameters like Nifty 50 is the benchmark We can also enable the risk management. Here we have uh, three type of risk management. So trailing stop loss is there, fixed stop with drawdown protection is there, and then fixed stop and take profit is there. We also have written about all of this in the knowledge base, so you can read about that. Now, right now, I'm not doing anything. I'll again turn this risk management off and then I'll simply show you the result. So now let's discuss the backtesting result, right? So in the first part of backtesting result, you can see the performance compared to benchmark. Now our benchmark was Nifty 50 as we saw, and the portfolio performance on 1 year time frame has been like massive outperformance compared to the benchmark. So the portfolio performance is really impressive. The portfolio has generated 68.75% return compared to the benchmark return of 27.75%. You can change the time frame from here. So as you can see, in the 6 months, the return is nearly same. But in a 3 year time frame, the outperformance is massive. Benchmark return is 60, portfolio return is 310%. That is massive outperformance. You can also see performance chart. So distribution of monthly returns, then monthly return heat map is there. So in 2022, the best month was August 2022, where we generated 28.6% return. So heat map is here. Then 6 month rolling volatility, rolling sharp ratio. Then we also have the trade logs. So as we saw, the rebalancing frequency was quarterly. So as you can see, every quarter we are getting an order. So on the 2nd of January, we were supposed to buy these stocks. We were supposed to sell this. On the 4th of October 2023, we were supposed to buy the stocks and supposed to sell these. Right, so complete trade logs are available. You can also download them as well. Right, and then we show the methodology that how we generate the backtesting results. So that is this first part of backtesting report. The second part is performance metrics. Now here we show very important quantitative metrics like beta, alpha, Sharpe ratio, kurtosis, then expected yearly monthly return, best day, worst day, then same for the month and year, average up month, average down month, win days, win month, right? And now let's see some of them. So beta of 0.68% means the portfolio has lower volatility compared to the benchmark. And with the lower volatility, the portfolio has generated 40.82% of alpha, which is really, really impressive, right? That's why I said that the list of those 39 stocks, or as we have filtered it down to 15, is a list of really good stocks, right? Then these are all important parameters. So this covers this second part of the backtesting report. The third part is the trade summary, where we show the average loss percentage, average loss rate, average win percentage. So win percentage is very high compared to the loss percentage, right? And win rate is also very high. So this screen is a really good screen on a to filter out high quality companies that are doing good. And the fourth part is the this part where we show different parameters like portfolio summary, so start date and date, cumulative return. So in the 4 years from 1st of April, this strategy has generated 836% return. Right, so that is massive return. CAGR of 74% compared to the benchmark CAGR of 29. Maximum drawdown is 35, where benchmark's maximum drawdown was minus 16.44%. So these four parts show everything that we need to know to fine tune and analyze the rules of the strategy. Now, let's say if I change the frequency to 1 month, right? And I change the benchmark to Nifty 500. So Nifty 500 TRI is here. And I also toggle on the risk management, and I enable the trading stop loss of 15%. So whenever my buying, let's say my buying price is 100. So whenever the price goes down to 85, the stop loss will get triggered and this stop loss will keep training. So if price goes up to 200, my stop loss will become 15% of that. So 170 will be my stop loss, right? And again, like, I want to include 15 stocks this time, right? And minimum number of stocks, I don't want one, I want five. So I have changed the parameters, and as you can see, this result is the before changing the parameter. So our current return is 68.75 versus the Nifty 50 return of 27.75. Beta is 0.68. Now, if I rerun the backtest by clicking here, all this parameter will be changed. Let's see. So now I'm clicking on this rerun backtest. Again, it is generating the backtest report for us. It will take a few seconds to generate. Uh, okay, it is generating. Yeah. Now, as you can see, because we have enabled the risk management, we have put trailing stop loss order. The returns have come down to 49%. It was this number was around 68 before we changed it, right? And Nifty 500 return is also changed. So in the same time frame, Nifty 50 was around 27%, but Nifty 500 has given the return of 40%. Now, as you can see, beta is also changed, alpha is also changed, everything is changed. As you can see, now loss percentage is high. Right. But as you can see, average loss rate is lower because we have enabled the risk management. But it goes hand in hand with reward. So average win rate is also lower. Earlier it was around 53, now it has come down to 35. So this is how you can change the parameters and then analyze the performance of your screening criteria. So basically what this module will do is it will help you to analyze the screening rules. If you are not satisfied with the results, you can change this numbers like to change this from 35 to 40 or 15 to 20 and then again backtest. So it will allow you to fine tune your strategy and then it will allow you to generate good screening ideas and good stocks that you can dive deep in, right? So that's it. This concludes the three-part series of how to use stock screener on Sharply. And we hope that all three videos will help you unleash the power of Sharply Stock Screener and help you get some good investment and research ideas for your portfolio. If you haven't watched the first and second video, I'll request you to watch them as it will help you understand the working of basic builders and advanced builder of Sharply Stock Screener. Thank you.